Hey there, Niyamada here, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's been a beautiful day. I'm going to recreate this particular flyer you can see right here. One thing about life is that once you decide that you're going to do something and you've set your heart to it, you're going to get it, no matter the challenge. Now, this particular design was created by InspiredDZN. InspiredDZN. I'm going to drop his name in the description so you can follow him on Pinterest or Instagram. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing we want to do is to get this image. I want to show you the sequence about around this design, how you can create it with just your smartphone. Okay, so the first thing, I'm bringing this image. So if you want to learn how to get all these resources, then you need to pay for my choice flyer design course, which cost just 10,000 naira as at the time of creating this particular video. Alright, so once you get that course, you'll be able to learn this, and fun enough, you'll be able to get some of these resources. Okay, so that's that. Then I'm going to bring in something here. So I created this particular shape. I'm going to bring it here. Alright. Let me even rotate it like this. Okay. Okay, so I want it to be the exact color that I have here. So what should I'm going to do? I'm going to come here. Then I'll click on gradient. I'll select these two colors. For this lighter version, I'm going to come here, select this, and I'll pick this, right? Okay, I'll drag it down. Okay, then for this other version, I'm going to come here, I'll pick this. Actually, we can go with this all the way. So we can bring it like this. So I have something like this. So let's still drag this in. Right. Then for the other part, for this other part, we'll put another one at the back of this particular guy. So I'm going to copy this like this, and I'm going to rotate it like this. Alright, so don't worry about that. Just click here, go to the same gradient, choose one of the colors, and select this color, which is the white color there. Alright, then come here. This one is going to be like a gray color. Alright, then bring this one to the front like this. Then bring this particular guy to the front like this. Alright, so let's fix both of them. Okay, so I'm going to move this one. I'm going to move it because it's the second one. Am I sure I'm touching the right one? Okay, I'm going to move this like this. I'm moving it. Yeah, I see that now. Okay, so let it be here like this. Okay, something like that. No. Okay, so we can leave it like this. Is that okay? All right, that's that. Now we're going to now mesh both of them together. So come here. I will mesh 1, 2 together. All right, so after we've meshed both of them together, we can now send this guy to the front like this. All right, now if you look at those dummies there, after one dummy there's going to be one particular something like that. Okay, so let me show you how we can get something similar. Look at it. Let's bring you the first dummy first. So for the first dummy we have this. So we have this guy, right? So all we need to do is to copy and hide so that we can work on this particular one here. So all we need to do now is to come erase the other ones. All right, so I'm going to take out these other ones that I don't need. All right, so I've taken them out. All right, so that my work is not so scattered, I'm going to crop it so it's easy for me to control. So I've cropped it. I'm going to put it like this. All right. Okay, I'm going to put it like this. So after I put that one, then there's something I need to do next. So let's come over here. Let's get this guy. So for this particular shape now, I'm going to rotate it like, sorry, I'm going to just rotate it like this. I'll put it here. Now it's not going to be perfect, but let's increase it like this. Let's do this. Do this. All right, put it there again. Okay, so I'm going to change the color to this color here. All right, I'll send it to the back. Send this on to the back too. So let's touch this one again. I'll send this guy to the back like this. If I do that, I'm going to have this. So all I need to do now is to move this guy. I'm just going to move it here. And I'll send it to the back too. So that is what I have. All right. Not giving me what I wanted. Okay. So this particular guy. Okay, so not bad. So we can come here now. We can come here now. Where is it? We can copy this guy now. All right. Sorry, not that one. We can copy this one. All right. Then we can do the same thing. Erase the one that we don't want. So for this, I'm taking out this guy, and this guy. All right. So after that, I want to crop it. So ensure that you crop so that it's easy for you to kind of control. All right. All right, so I have this guy here. I'm just going to put it like this, straight up there. So at the back of this guy now, there's going to be another kind of shape. So let's send it. Look, let's bring the shape first. It's going to be yellow. So this yellow right here. Or let's make it a little bit darker. All right, so this is it. So we're just gonna place it somewhere here. Okay, then we would send it to the back. Then we will control it. Let's move it. Then let us rotate it. Or is it rotate? Let's rotate it like this. All right. Let's T. Okay, let's rotate it like this. Then let's move. Then let's T rotate. All right, so we'll rotate like this small. All right, so that is that. So after that, we can change the color. Let's change the color to the exact color that we have there. So we can pick the color here. All right, so after that we can send we can send this one to the back like this. Then we need to send this particular or yellow, where is it, to the back too. So it means we have this. Are you seeing that now? All right, so for the next, I think we need to increase this guy, we need to increase them. All right, we need to increase them. even this one self. Okay, so let's leave that one. So the next one, we're going to come here like this. We would copy this one, and then we will, as usual, take out the one that we don't need, which is the third one right now. So we're going to take this one's out, take these two hearts, which are the ones that we don't need. All right. So after that, you want to crop. You are cropping it so that it's easy for you to control. So you go to the third one, crop it like this, crop it like this. All right. So that's that. Then you come here and you fix it there. So I'm just going to fix it there like this. All right. So then we have to send this guy now to the back. So we will pick the color from here. My name is Niyamuda and I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. So I'll pick the color from here. I will rotate it like this and I'll put it there like that. All right, so I'll just send it to the back like this. Then this guy, I'll send it to the back too, like that. Then I'll come again, I'll send this guy to the back. If I do that, this is what I'm going to have. All right, so I still need to move this a little bit inside. No, not that one. I think it's this one. No, I think it's this one. Okay, I think that is it. So we can move it a little bit here. Please tell me where you're watching from, and of course subscribe. So this one here is going to be the last one. So we're going to pick the color from the original design, which is this one here. All right, so we'll place it, let's say, let's rotate it. That is, let's mirror it. So if we mirror it, we're going to have this. I'm going to put it around here. All right, we'll mirror it like this. We'll send it to the back too. So I'm sending it to the back. Then we'll bring in the other last design, which is this one here. Then we'll erase everything else, leaving the last one for us. So I'm erasing everything else, leaving the last one, which is this one right here. Then I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna crop it. Please do it to subscribe. Do it to like the video. Please do it to share with a friend, and check the comment section to get my church flyer design course and every other course that will be of benefit to you. So I'm sending this to the back. Then I'm sending that this last one, the blue, I'll send it to the back too. If I do that, I'm going to get this. All right, this is what I'm going to get. Now I can move this. All right, this one I can move it. So after you have done this, you want to bring in this guy. So you want to bring in this guy here, which we are going to put here. It's going to be white. Okay, so we'll put it there, reduce it. Okay, let's reduce it here, drag it. Right. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. I'm just going to click here and centralize it. All right, then right here I'm going to click get this shape. All right, the shape is going to be inside there like this. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Then let's do this. Right, so that the circle will be complete. So if you want to increase it, you can just do this. All right, okay, so that's that. So that's that. Then we can come here, copy this, move it here. All right, and adjust it. All right, so if you notice that these guys, they have a kind of a line around them, so I'm going to bring something like that. I'm going to use this for the dotted lines. All right, I'm going to use this for the dotted lines, so I will just come here, erase the color. Okay, just drag it like this. So let's choose a color. I think the gray will be best. All right, so let's come here. Let's push it in. Still push it in. Still push it in. Okay. All right, so once you have done this, just go here and then reduce the opacity like this. Okay, and all you need to do now is to bring this guy to the front, then bring the image to the front, then bring the last guy to the front, then bring these two ore to the front. All right, so I still think that we need to still reduce the opacity of this guy here. So just reduce the opacity the more, so we can have something like this, not too exposed. All right, so we have some right up here, fresh week, comma, fresh drip. All right, so we come over here. If you have followed me to this extent, of course that means you're good. That means you have gotten half of the design done. All right, so I'm going to do this. Right, so it means you've gotten half of the design done. So these words here, we're gonna put them right here. Just reduce them small here like this. Of course, we need the what's it called? So we have three shapes. So we have three shapes that we're gonna put here, just very small here. So one of them says premium quality. All right, the other one says curated collection. All right, put it like this. All right, and the third one is this. All right, so we are going to now, we can put this, then we can adjust this guy. All right, so we can come here and put the box shape there. So let's choose two colors. This color, let it be at the base here. All right, maybe at the base there, and let us fix it. Then this other color, let it be here. It's gonna be the orange color. All right, we just fix it here like this. All right, so that, so when you're done, you want to click here, where is it, here and here, and we want to add this color to it. Add this color. That's where you're going to fix the social media handles. Then the next thing we want to do is of course the logo. So when you're done with the design, please do ensure to save. All right, I've shown you how you can create this. Do ensure to save your design and enhance it using Snapseed. My name is Neamuda. Do it to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. If you want the resources, please do check the description. Thank you for watching.